This literature kit on A Wrinkle in Time by Madeleine L'Engle transcends through space and time. Travel through time and space to solve a mystery and fight in the universal war against evil. The quizzes and comprehension activities help check for understanding. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students take an in-depth look into the concept of the tesseract by comparing Mrs Whatsit and Mrs Murry's reactions. Put the events that occurred after the family met Mrs Whatsit in the order that they played out. Predict who Mrs. Who is talking about when she tells Charles Wallace that he needs our help. Describe and draw a picture of the creature that Mrs. Whatsit transforms into. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Students imagine their own gifts to give to the children along with those from Mrs. Whatsit, Mrs. Who, and Mrs. Which. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. List Meg's character traits that help save the day on the Brain Graphic Organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.